Welcome back! Now that we've gone through using the 2D Sketcher and 3D Builder to modify molecules, we can move on to discussing the Workspace toggles. As before, make sure to have your Maestro intro project open and your working directory set to your course folder. Different toggles are found in the bottom right corner of Maestro. Let's explore them a bit. First, include the top entry CDK2 prepared in the Workspace. Remember the difference between inclusion and selection. Let's say we wanted to toggle off all the labels or annotations. We can tell that the annotations toggle is on because it is highlighted in blue, and there are labels in the Workspace by the residues near the ligand binding site. Let's click this now to toggle these annotations off. The annotations are no longer displayed, but they haven't been deleted. There are other toggles as well. For example, we can toggle off measurements, surfaces, or ribbons if they are part of our structure in our Workspace. Notice that the toggles that aren't applicable to the Workspace structure, such as measurements and surfaces, aren't active. One moreover is the Interactions toggle. If you right-click on the toggle, the Interactions panel opens. This allows us to visualize the interactions between the protein and its co-crystallized ligand. Different interactions are shown in different colors, and you can toggle which ones you would like displayed on or off. We will learn more about protein-ligand interactions that are key to drug design in an upcoming module. We can also make measurements in the Workspace. Click on Measure in the Favorites toolbar. A banner prompting you for your next step appears in your Workspace. Here, we can decide what we would like to measure: distance, angle, dihedral, etc. Each option will give you instructions for what to do. Let's choose dihedral and zoom into the pyridine on the ligand. Now click on 4 atoms to define the dihedral, being sure to use your predictive highlighting to let you know what you're going to click on before you click on it. I'm choosing the 4 atoms that connect the 2 aromatic rings, and I can see that the dihedral is essentially a right angle. Feel free to pause the video here and make some more measurements. Before we move on, click OK and toggle off the measurements to clean up the Workspace a bit. There are 2 other toggle features as well. As we are working in the 3D, we can keep a 2-dimensional view of our ligand at the bottom left corner by turning on the 2D overlay. To change the clipping planes of our protein, we can use this toggle. Clipping planes are a way to move horizontally through your structure. This is useful for visualization, such as getting a better look at internal features of a protein or binding pocket. To adjust the clipping planes, click and drag on the orange lines. If you want to adjust what part of your Workspace structure you clipped through, how do you think you could change your clipping planes? That's right, even clipping planes are right-clickable. For now, let's keep them set to all. Finally, you can toggle on and off the sequence viewer. This allows you to see the amino acid sequence of a protein in your Workspace. You can select areas of your protein and interact with it using right-click. Just to recap, you have a lot of control over the features in your Workspace by using the toggles in the Workspace configuration toolbar in the bottom right. Use these toggles to adjust what you see in the Workspace without deleting information. At this point, you should be comfortable performing most tasks in Maestro. These videos are a good resource to return to at any point during the course to refresh your memory. Great job so far. See you soon.